Why are we even talking about my past relationships right now?
Yeah, just focus on the new ones.
All right, bet. So how do we go in here? So check. Should we just break into the shopping stop? Sayonara.
It's alright, we got it unlocked them.
Okay. What the fuck was that?
Oh, my phone.
That shit just borked. What the hell was that?
I'm just gonna leave my phone here.
Oh. Bro, what is that?
No, that's the message alarm.
Oh. What the hell is that? I never heard an alarm like that.
You should do that. You should do that on yours.
How are you today? The new ones? You're saying please don't break in, just ask them? Huh? Can we go in? Can we go in?
Yeah.
Let's go. You go in?